Today we'll show you how to get to Yelapa with the best tour in Puerto Vallarta, Chica Locca Tours. Awarded the 2025 Travelers Choice Award by TripAdvisor, a recognition reserved only for the world's top experiences. We'll meet you at our boarding points in Nuevo Vallarta or Puerto Vallarta, where our staff welcomes you with the best service. The journey begins with an open bar and a delicious snack to kick off the adventure. First stop, our private beach. Chica Locca. Here you'll enjoy the ocean with all our included water activities, snorkeling, paddle boards, kayaks, onboard massage, and plenty of time to relax and have fun. After a refreshing swim, we continue just a few minutes to our destination. Yelapa. Upon arrival, you'll find a wide stretch of golden sand along the coast, lined with palm trees, the blue waters of the Pacific Ocean, and the mouth of the river. It's the perfect place for swimming or soaking up the sun. The Yelapa Waterfall is a breathtaking cascade just a 15-minute walk from the main beach. You can swim in its fresh waters, an ideal spot to cool off after walking under the tropical sun. But Yelapa is more than just a beach and waterfall. It's a charming village where colorful murals and artistic pieces fill the streets with life. You'll also find local handicrafts, the perfect authentic souvenir from this magical destination. Meanwhile, our crew prepares your lunch, delicious Mexican fajitas. On the way back, the party keeps going. Dancing, music, and new friends to wrap up an unforgettable day. Chica Locca Tours, the best way to experience Yelapa and Puerto Vallarta.